हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द ऑनलाइन एक्सेल लर्निंग मॉड्यूल। अगर आप न्यू हैं तो मैं बता दूं कि दीज वीडियोस विल हेल्प यू टू लर्न एक्सेल इन इजी वे एंड आल्सो इन लेस टाइम। दिस इज सीए जगजीत फ्रॉम एट्यूड प्रो। टुडे वी विल लर्न हाउ टू सेव टाइम बाय फिलिंग सेल्स ऑटोमेटिकली। इट मींस कि अगर आपने सेम डाटा को या फॉर्मूला को दोबारा दोबारा रिपीट करना है तो वो कैसे कर सकते हैं। आई नो कि आप सोच रहे होंगे कि कॉपी पेस्ट कर लो, आपको उसका शॉर्टकट भी पता होगा, कंट्रोल सी एंड देन कंट्रोल वी। बट अब हम बड़े बच्चे हो गए हैं और काम भी बड़े बच्चों वाले सीखेंगे। What we are going to do today is to use different ways to fill cell automatically. So क्लास शुरू करने से पहले अगर आप आगे भी ऐसी लर्निंग अपडेट्स रिसीव करना चाहते हैं तो अभी नीचे सब्सक्रिप्शन बटन प्रेस कीजिए, और अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज हिट द लाइक बटन ऑल्सो। नाउ हरी अप एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज वीडियो। And to get the hand-on experience for today's formulas, you can download the file from the description link below. So before going forward, I would like to discuss one formula, sum if, that was used in our last video. So what was this formula was about? For example, this is a monthly revenue of a company for 1 year. Management wants total monthly revenue of those months in which it is more than 4,000. So the formula is used is equal to sum if bracket start. Now select the total range, then comma. Then you have to specify the criteria in the inverted commas. Just start typing inverted comma, then criteria more than 4,000 sorry, inverted comma close, bracket close, enter. So this is the total of all values which are more than 4,000. But in case total is required for a particular range, that is it should be 2,000 to 4,000. So how to apply the formula? The formula is now to be used is equal to sum if s. This is nothing but just the plural of sum if, multiple criteria, multiple ifs. So how to apply? Start with sum if s, bracket start. Now an important thing is first you have to select the sum range, that is the range for which you want to add the numbers. Now once comma is pressed, it will ask for criteria range 1. So you have to select the series on which you want to apply the first criteria. In our case, this is the same range because total is required for the same revenue. Now comma range. Now criteria. Criteria is the range, that is it should be more than 2,000. Inverted comma close. Now this is the lower limit. For upper limit you have to specify another criteria. So again select the same criteria range 2, comma, inverted comma start. Criteria is it should be less than 4,000. Then in bracket close and enter. How this formula worked? It has totaled the values which are between 2,000 but less than 4,000. So this is the formula for sum if for a single condition and sum if s for a multiple condition. I hope you tried. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Now for the next part, we will discuss how to enter data from a single cell to multiple cells. So this can be done through, first way is using the fill handle. Fill handle is the plus sign, black color plus sign when you take your mouse to the right bottom corner of the particular cell. This fill handle will enable you to copy the cells to any direction. You can copy downwards, you can copy right, left, upper, anyway. Like in this case, the table says this plus this equal to this. So this is the sum function. Now if you want to copy the formula to lower cells, how to do that? Just take your cursor to the fill handle. Now drag to the lower cells. It will automatically copy the cells. So you can see in the right column, it has automatically copied the cells. So if you want to Again, repeat the formula. Just click on the handle button, then press downwards. It will copy the formula. Again, you can do it in any direction. Like in this case, this is the total of first column, and I want total of all these columns. Just drag to the right. It will automatically calculate the total of all functions. So this can be also done using Control D, but in this case Control D will not work. How to use the Control D? Just select the cells. Now press Control D. When press Control D, it will copy the cells from upper cell to the lower cells. D means down. D stands for down. If you want to copy the cells downwards, just press the select the series, then press Ctrl D. It will automatically copy the cells to the lower cells. Okay, this was the fill option to easily copy the cells to multiple cells in a single go. Now next part is using fill option to copy cells. How to copy the cells? Just take your cursor to the first cell. Now copy paste to the lower cells. It will copy the desired data to the desired cell. Now again, in case of this, you can do the same. I can also do this using Control Enter. How to use that? Just select the cells now, just select the cells without using the fill handle. Now activate the cell, edit the cell using the F2, or you can also go to the formula bar. Now press Control Enter. It will automatically copy the first cell or edited cell to the all selected cells. You can also select multiple cells to paste on those cells only. Like in this case, you have to select the desired cell at the last. Now go to the formula bar. Now press Control Enter. It will copy paste the cell to all selected cells. So this is using Control plus Enter. But in this case, for example, this is the reason, and reason is to be different for all different cells. So one way is to just copy paste the cell or use the fill handle different times differently, or what can I do is just select the blank cells only. How to select the blank cells? First select the column. Now go to find, go to special, find, go to special. In this, select the blanks. So this is automatically selected only blank cells. So how to copy the upper cell? Now press is equal to, select the upper cell, then Control Enter. So you can see what it is doing is it just copying the value from the upper cell. So if the cells are blank and you want to be filled by its immediate precedent, then you can use this go to special command to select the blank cells and then use is equal to upper cell and then press Control Enter when all cells are selected. I can do it once again. Selected, go to special, blanks, OK, is equal to upper cell, Control Enter. It will automatically copy the cells to the lower cells. Now next part is fill a series. For a series, there are some predefined series like Jan, Feb, March. These are the months. So when you use fill handle, it will automatically fill the cells with the months. Like in case of weekdays, you can also do the same. Like week 1, week 2, it will automatically do the best possible way to fill the data. But if I want to edit these lists, this is the option, file, option, advanced tab. Now under advanced tab, search the journal tab. Under journal option, there is a menu called edit custom list. So these are the predefined list. You can add a new list anytime. Just write the name, like name is Honey, Rita, Rahul, Sumit, Shamita. So this is my list of entries. Then press OK. OK. Anytime you press the list and write any name of under the list, like one name was Sumit, and when this name is dragged, it will automatically copy the names which I mentioned in the list. So this was using the edit custom list, or there are some predefined list, you can also use that. So I think this is clear. Now last but most important option is flash fill. What flash fill does, for example, this is the name, total name of my employees, my staff. I want to divide names into first name and last name. When I press first name, when I start typing first name, it will automatically understand that I want first name from this series, and when press enter, it will automatically copy the first name from the total name. And the last name, same as it is, Sharma, and shortcut is Control plus C. When I press Control E, it will automatically copy the last name from the desired list. I can do the same from emails also. Like in the email, this is the first name, Nancy. Now you can use shortcut key Control E. It will automatically copy the details. For last name, I can use Smith. Control D. Control D will copy the above cell. Control E will use the flash fill to paste the values. But one thing is important, that this flash fill is enabled only for Office 2016 and above versions. So if you want to use this, you have to work only on Office 2016 and above softwares. So thank you so much. This was all about today's video. If you like the video, please press the like button and do write your comments, feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much.